Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a pre-loved Louis Vuitton Keepall 50 Bandouliere bag that I bought from Japan. And just a little backstory, I had wondered about buying a pre-loved bag for a very long time, and I've never purchased one until last week. And I got the inspiration of buying a pre-loved bag from Japan from a YouTuber that I follow called Tabby Violet, and she had a great experience buying one from Japan, so it gave me the inspiration to buy one. She bought the Louis Vuitton Keepall 45, which I did end up buying. That was my first pre-loved bag that I bought last week, and I'll show you right here. And I didn't post the unboxing of this one yet because I still need to edit it, but here's the bag. Overall, the bag is super cute and is in pretty good condition in terms of the exterior. The canvas looks pretty good, and the vachetta is in pretty good quality, although there are some nicks and dirt and signs of wear and tear. This bag did not come with the strap. It did, however, come with the luggage tag and the strap that holds the handles together. And I knew that going in and buying it. Oh, it also did not come with the lock. I knew that buying it, and that's why I got a great deal on this bag, because it did not have the strap and the lock. And I had asked the seller before I purchased the bag whether it had any odors or smells, and they assured me it did not. But when I received this bag, that was the first thing I noticed. It had a really strong musty odor to it. It smelled like mildew. So I had read online that you should wipe down the bag completely. I had wiped it down with some unscented baby wipes and did a pretty good job with cleaning it in terms of wiping it down. Immediately after that, I threw the whole thing in the freezer to kill any of the mildew spores. So I threw it into the freezer and for 3 hours, and then took it out and then cleaned it further. And then in the inside, I wiped the whole interior down. I'll just show you what the inside looks like. Overall, the inside actually looks pretty good. There's no stains or anything. So right now I have in here some deodorizers because the smell is still very apparent. So let me show you. I have, this is the Arm & Hammer baking soda deodorizer. These things you put in the refrigerator. This is like this little sticky tab, like a suction cup, and you stick it in the refrigerator, and for 30 days it takes away all the odors in your fridge. Well, it also takes away odors of mildew and musty smells. So this has been in my bag for the last couple of days. I also put this air freshener in there as well. This is a Citrus Magic solid air freshener. It also is an odor controller, and here's this ideal for mildew smells and any kind of musty smells. Eliminates any of those stinky odors. It has baking soda in this thing as well, which is the predominant thing that takes away the odor, and it has a very light citrus scent. So I wish you could smell this bag, but it still has a musty smell, but every day is slowly getting better. So I've been keeping this bag closed and having the deodorizers work. So I was kind of disappointed in this bag because I got it for a great deal, but that being said, it had a great smell as well. So I bought this bag from brand JFA, and I will never buy another bag from them again because they completely lied about the smell. So then I went ahead and bought another bag, again from a Japanese retailer, and this one I bought from Bandouliere. And I already opened the box and I already took it out of the bubble wrap because I want to show you this is what it looks like. So my overall impression of this bag. Now this bag costs me $100 more than the previous bag that I showed you. And this bag is the Keepall 50 rather than the 45. And the difference being with this bag is it came with everything that this bag comes with. So it comes with the strap that holds the handles together. It comes with the luggage tag. Where you see it says Louis Vuitton, made in France. It comes with the lock, although there is no key to this lock, so I have to see if I can find a key to unlock this. Hopefully they're universal. If you do know if they're universal, leave a comment below for me and I can buy a key. And what's nice about this bag is it also came with the strap. And this strap is in actually pretty good condition. There are some water stains like here and over here. But overall, my initial impressions is that it's pretty good shape. Like this is no tarnish on the hardware. It looks still gold. And this is a vintage bag. I'm not sure the year it was made. I have to look at the date code again. Here, the tarnish. There's no tarnishing. Maybe a little slight tarnishing. And the vachetta color is really nice. Like it's like that golden color, which I love. So here, let me show you the bag. Here's the interior of the bag. So I was pretty scared about purchasing a pre-loved bag, but I read everywhere online on the forums that Japanese resellers only sell authentic bags because they're really strict about that. And if you look at this bag here, here's actually the date code. So it's a TH1925. Here you see a little bit of discoloration on the button here, and it's oxidizing, as you can see here. Here's the a little bit here as well, but the interior looks pretty good. There's, let me see, there's a smell. I'll try to get in here. Okay, so there's a very light musty smell, not quite as bad as the first bag. It's a lot less in this bag, and I'm probably going to put this in the freezer also just to make sure I kill some of the spores if there are any. And I just want to show you the quality of the bag. So overall, I mean, there are some minor watermarks, and like here, this is the bottom of the bag, so there's like a few marks here and a few marks there, and here's the side of the bag, there's a few marks there, but I think I can clean this up and make this like look better. But the vachetta color is really actually very nice. You see a little bit of the wrinkling here, but I actually don't mind these little scuff marks because this is a luggage bag and it's to be expected. The handles here, you see the handles. Actually, the handles are in pretty good condition, I have to say. I mean, this color is pretty good. She's very, actually I'm pretty amazed by the color of the handles. It's not like super, sometimes you see the handles being super dark from all the dirt and such. Okay, so now I'm going to show you get rid of this box. I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison of the two bags. And so here's the 50, and here's the 50, and here's the 45. And you can see the 50 is slightly larger in terms of size. There's the 45. And here's the 50. I'll do another video where I can actually show you the side-by-side comparison better, because now it's like folded and you really can't tell. But let me go on the top view. You can see the 50 is a little larger. Here again, the 50, and here's the 45. Thanks for watching my video. I'm going to post some more videos about these bags and how I'm going to clean them and the process of cleaning them. Follow my channel for more videos, and follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. Thank you.